Real straightforward. Are there any circumstances when somebody, if they need to, can access retirement money before the mandatory retirement age?
Oh, sure. If you have an IRA or 401k, you'll get a penalty, a 10% penalty, if you take money out before 59 and a half. That's the government rule. Except if you decide to retire earlier and you take the money out periodically, the same amount of money over a sustained period of time, and there is a formula for that in the Internal Revenue Code, then you do avoid the penalty.
Is there a minimum age for that? I can't retire at 32.
It's no minimum age, but it's sustained over your lifetime. And of course, if you start very early in life, it could be pennies and just simply not enough to retire on, so it wouldn't make sense. So this is used more for people who are in their mid-50s. If you're ill and you have a problem, a certain level of illness, you can also not have a penalty. But if it's simply because you want to retire early and avoid that penalty, go to your accountant, do not walk to your accountant, and they will tell you exactly how much money you have to take over a sustained period of time to basically avoid the 10% 59.5 penalty.
No, I actually was mostly thinking about somebody who might have lost a job before the age of retirement, have a hard time getting a comparable job, or somebody, as you said, that has a health issue, so that you have a sudden need for additional money.
Yeah, but sudden health issue, yes, but if it's temporary and you're going to stop taking those payments, you're not avoiding the penalty. So this is a commitment.
Got it. Thank you so much.